Hello students, welcome again. I am Sridhar. In the last class, we have discussed about a radix or base and also a different types of number systems and how we can represent all those. Right? So now I wanted to give an example which is say for example the number which is 45. Okay, in which number system we can represent 45? Can we represent 45 in octal or shall we represent this 45 in decimal? You can analyze and you can give me the answer. Okay, one more number I wanted to give, that is, this is for your analyzation. Okay, one more number I can write here, 40. Can I write this 40 base as 5? Shall we write like this? Yes, of course you can write. But for our discussion, we have different number systems like binary, okay, binary, decimal, hexadecimal, octal and all. That is for our syllabus. Okay, but you have to understand this also. You can write 40 base as 5 because if you observe here, 4 and 0 are within the 5. As what is the base is there, within that range only the number should be represented, that is possible. Say for example, if I write base as 5, simply means that 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you observe, 4 is within this range, yes it is here, 0, yes it is here. You can represent like this also. Okay, you remember this. And also if I write 2, 1 base as 3, yes you can write. If you observe base is 3, means range is from 0 to 0, 1, 2. Yes, this is total number is 4 means 3. Here how many numbers? 5. Yes, if you observe 2 and 1, 2 is within this range, yes, 1, yes, you can write like this. You can write the bases also like this. That is one more thing I wanted to clear to you. Okay, you understand this. And also you can write the bases 6, 7 and all and many things. But the major important terms which we are using right here, which is known as that binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Okay, this is all our important topics we are going to discuss in our chapter. Okay, fine. Now in this class I have to discuss something about the conversion of numbers, or also you can call it as a base conversion. Okay, you call it as base conversion, and also you know that what is base. You can also call it as a radix conversion, radix or base conversion. Then how to convert the base or radix from one system to another system? And one more thing I wanted to clear you that the decimal number system, okay, the decimal number system is a number, say for example 250, which is a decimal number. If I say base as 10, yes, this kind of decimal number system which we are using in our day-to-day life. Say for example, if you go to the market and say how many rupees for this, okay, they will tell 10 rupees, yes, 10 is the decimal number. If say 1400 rupees, yes, 1400 is a decimal number. Okay, all we are using in our day-to-day life the number system which is known as a decimal number system. Fine. Now we are going to discuss about base conversion. You know what is this base conversion? Base conversion is nothing but we can convert any number system. We can convert any number system to another. Getting to another. How? Yes, we can convert binary number to its equivalent decimal number. You understand this? Okay, if you are not getting it properly, once again I will write. We can convert a binary number to its equivalent decimal number, and also we can convert a decimal number to its equivalent binary number. This is called as base conversion. You can also convert a decimal to octal, binary to octal. You can convert all those things. Binary to octal you can do. You can also do octal to binary. You can convert decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. We can do all these things. We'll get to know in the further classes. So in today's class we convert one number system which is binary number system to the equivalent decimal number system. Okay, and you know that binary number system which is a range from 0 and 1, that is 2. Okay, you know that. First I write binary number. What is binary number? Yes, you already know that binary number which has the base as 2 and the numbers which are used in that number system is only within the 0 and 1. Say, if I write 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, is this a, okay, I'll take a smaller value first, later we'll go for the larger values. If I write 1, 1, 0, is this a binary number? No, because we don't mention any base here. So if I write 2, yes. Is this a binary number? You can observe 1 is within the range of 0 and 1, yes, 1, yes, 0. Okay, binary number is a number which has the combination of only zeros and ones. Only zeros and ones. You can see only 0 and 1 are here, yes. Now, how to convert this binary number into its equivalent decimal? What is decimal number? Decimal number is only which ranges from 0 to 9, means base which has 10. Can we convert, or shall we convert this, or we are able to convert this binary number system to the equivalent decimal? Yes, we can convert binary number system to its equivalent decimal number system. Then how to do that? It is very simple technique to convert binary number to its equivalent decimal number. Here you can see, take all the individual digits, remember this, take all the individual digits, multiply it by 2 and with their powers add all those. Very simple. Take all the digits, multiply it by 2 with their powers and add all those. Say, here I have the number digit which is 1, multiply it by 2, add next number which is 1, multiply it by 2, next add, the next digit is 0, multiply it by 2. What I did here? Very simple. I multiplied 2 to all these digits. You can see 1 is multiplied by 2, again next 1 is multiplied by 2, 0 is multiplied by 2. And also I told that we have to write respective powers, that is 0 for this 1, for this 2. Correct? Directly if you know, you can write 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. You can write. For your understanding, I first written all the multiplication and written the powers like this. Okay. Okay. One more example here I write. I will explain it later. It will be right here only. Okay. So if I have 1, 1, 1, 1, base as 2. To convert to the equivalent decimal number, what we need to do? 1 into 2 to the power 3. Directly you can write plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. If you are getting confusion with this, first you multiply by 2 and write the powers like this, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is also okay. If digits are 4, last power is 3, right? Like that. Okay. Now we convert these two numbers into its equivalent decimal number system. Say, now do the calculation for this and this. You will get the equivalent decimal number. First I will do this. 1 into 2 to the power 2, it means 1 into 2 to the power 2 means 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, it simply means 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0 means what? 1. 2 to the power 0 means 1. Okay, remember this. Okay, now do the calculation. 1 into 4, you will get 4 plus 1 into 2, what you will get? 2 plus 0 into anything? 0, and add on this 4 plus 2, you will get 6. Okay, what you will get? 6. Yes. Then what is this 6? 6 is nothing but the number which we obtained by converting binary number which in the decimal, that is 10. 6 is decimal number. And what is the equivalent number for 6 in binary? Yes, obviously this. I will write that 110 in a binary is equals to 6 in a decimal. I hope you are understanding this. 110 in a binary is equals to 6 in a decimal. That is the meaning of this. Now we can do this. 1 into 2 to the power, can I make directly 1 into 2 to the power 3? So I will do calculation. 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 is 4. I can write directly 4. You can take 1 into, okay, plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0, 1 into 1. Very simple. Do the calculation. 8 plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. If you add all these things, you will get the equivalent decimal number. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. And what is the base for this? 10. What it means? It means that 1 1 1 1 in a binary is equal to 15 in decimal. Okay, this is the conversion of binary number to its equivalent decimal number. Okay, yes, I hope this is clear to you. If you are having any confusion, you can revert this video and you can watch it again. Okay, fine. Now I will give you that okay. Now I will give one example to you that convert a number system. First I will write binary to decimal. Okay, binary to decimal. Now I will give you some examples to do. That is, say 10101 base is 2. What is the equivalent number in a decimal? You have to do. Okay. Say 1110 in binary, what is the equivalent number in a decimal? Next, 10 in a binary, okay, what is the equivalent number in decimal? And one more, 1010, what is the equivalent number for this in a decimal? And you have to do this and you can submit to me. I will tell you what is the way to submit to this work, okay. Just you have to do this in your home. Lately I will give you and I will introduce you how to submit all these things to me. Okay, fine. In the next class we are going to, or I am going to deal with how to convert from decimal number to its equivalent binary number. Okay, thank you.